Okay, here we go. Welcome back. So, in this video, what we are going to see is how to migrate SCCM CB 1606 primary server to a new hardware or a new virtual server. So the basic prerequisites are host name should be same, the drive letters should be same, installation path should be same, and we should have same patch level, better to have or keep the same IP. Okay. These are some of the steps which I'm going to follow as part of this process. I'm going to document all the local SMS group memberships just for a safety reason. Uh, if you have content, DP content, package source, WSOS, OSD images, then you need to take care of those separately. You need to robocopy all those folders, files from new server to from existing server to new server. Okay, as part of a preparation of this migration. Okay, once the server, the copy, everything is ready, then then shut down the existing CP server. That is this one, and then I will probably delete the existing uh, computer account of the server from Active Directory users and computers. Um, once that is done, I will rename the new server to the old server's name to match with the old server's name. Okay, and if possible, I will give the old IP to the new server. Okay, and then the next step would be domain join of the new server. Okay, and as part of that, I will provide provide new server computer account, add new server computer account to system management container to give full access on system management container. And the next step would be to install ADK, WSUS, SQL, and all the other prerequisites. Okay, and once that is done, we can try to recover the site with a SCCM full backup. So I have taken a full backup of this primary site. Okay, and it's better to keep at least 2 to 3 copies of SCCM full backup. Okay, so I just wanted to show you my site details. This is 8412 version, that is production version of SCCM CB 1606, and you can see over here as well. Again, I have some mobile devices enrolled into this. You can see one Android device over here. Okay, and that means I have integrated Intune with SCCM. Okay, and you can see my, where is it? Okay, database. My database is cm underscore blr. It's in the same box. Okay, you can see host name as blr it pro cm, ip config as 0.1, oops, that is 0.0.2. Okay, so now for now I will pause the video and I will come back once I'm ready to run the setup wizard from cd.latest folder. Okay, okay, so I'm ready with the new server, and I completed the prerequisites which are mentioned until this this particular step. Okay, so come on, whose name is same Bangalore BLR IT Pro CM, and IP is different in my case. Okay, it's a lab environment, so I don't have any firewall in between, so that is fine. But in a production environment with a lot of firewalls in between, yeah, it's better to keep the same IP if possible. That would make our I would say SCCM admin's life very easy. Yeah. Okay, now what I'm going to do is run the setup from cd.latest folder. Okay, so why I'm running a setup from cd.latest folder, this is because if you download the binary source binaries from MSDN or volume licensing site, that will have only the baseline image of the SCCM CB. Okay, so that would be in at the moment that is 1511. So if you have upgraded or updated your primary site with uh, with the newest versions like 1602 or 1606 production versions, then you won't be able to recover that primary server with the baseline image. So that is why we are using cd.latest folder to get the source. Okay, latest source I would say. And this particular folder is part of SCCM CB full backup. Okay. Okay, so this is one of my I have taken two backups, two full backups for assurity purpose, I would say. Okay, and I'm running a setup from for the first backup, and the second backup probably I will use for the restore. Okay. Okay, install. Yes. Okay. Okay, over here I will use recovery site option. Okay, and over here I need to provide the path of my backup, full backup. So I will go to will provide this path. Remember that you have to provide this as well. Okay. So I mentioned in the previous videos, like there are a couple of options, and so there are like mainly there are two pillars in site recover primary server recovery. One is site server recovery, and the other one is site database recovery. Okay, in server recovery, we have two options. Okay, one is recover the site server using existing backup. That is what I'm going to do in this particular demo. Okay, and for the site database recovery, I have like we have four options over here. So I explained what are those options, and when those options can be used in a different video. You can watch that video for more details. So in this video, I'm going to use the first option, that is recover the site database using the backup set at the following location. Okay, so this is the one. I say when I hit next, so it has automatically selected recovery from recover primary site. Okay, I don't have any central site, so I will keep that as blank. I don't put any license details over here. Probably this is test lab, so I will use eval. Okay, here you go. Next. Okay, so where should I get the new prerequisites, right? So that is also available inside that cd.latest folder. Let me go cd.latest folder. This is the place where you will get the prerequisites. It's redist. I don't know how to pronounce that. Oops, sorry. Okay, it's checking. Let me pull out uh, tools, cm trees, close. Let me check what is happening. Log files, verifying the prerequisite is running. Okay, so I have already installed SQL, and you can see that, but there's no database attached to that. Okay, just if you want, I can just show it to you. Yeah, expected. It's my small lab environment. So there is no database till now. Okay, let's say it's still running. Okay, 10 out of 15, 15 or 15 out of 15. Okay, good. Good. So it it has taken the site code and details, site name. Okay, and it is going to install in the same using the same path. Okay. Oh, that is good. And the SQL Server and SQL Server name is already there. It's in the same box, and the database name is cm_blr. Okay, and next, next, next telemetry. Okay, this is all fine. Next, firewall firewall exception. Warning memory usage. Yeah, I know. Memory usage, come on. Yeah, I will do it. Okay, so again, yeah, we need to follow this practice when you are in production and even for the lab. Yeah, so for this time I will skip that. Okay, otherwise always keep those settings, SQL settings handy, and I would always recommend to do that. uh, so it started. I will wait for another few minutes whether to check whether everything is going fine or not. Okay, and then I will post this video and will come back once. Don't worry about this errors. Okay, that is fine. Okay. Okay. Dependencies, evaluating and installing config manager dependencies. It's checking USMT component. Okay. Okay, so probably what I will do is I will post this video and I will come back once we are almost done with the installation. I won't say installation, the recovery of the server. So here here we go. The installation has okay, the recovery has been completed and site server is installed, and hopefully everything is recovered. Okay, along with the database. Okay. I can't see any cross mark in this installation wizard. Okay, and and even I can't find. Yeah, this is fine. I can't find any critical errors. The log files. Okay, I like this one. Setup does not upgrade customized boot image package. Please update it manually. Okay, that is a good warning. Good work. Okay, so we are done with the recovery of SCCM CB 1606 primary server. Let me check what is up there in the next screen. Okay, it says not responding. Okay, I don't know what happened. Let me. Okay, everything is okay. Not applicable. Post recovery action. So this is a good one. Post recovery actions not required. Okay, so I don't have much accounts in my console, so that is why it is not prompting to change any account or re-enter the passwords of account. So in a production scenario, maybe probably you will have to reinstall the hot fixes, and you will have to re-enter the passwords for the accounts, showing it over here, in case if some accounts are showing up here. Okay, I will close down. Okay, exiting bootstrap. I'll close this. Let me check what is the status of console. That would be interesting. Console. Let me launch the console. Okay, good. So first of all, let me check the console version. We are good. It's 8412 build, though that means CM 1606 build. Okay, that is a production one. So this if you remember, like in the video, I have shown the version of my previous servers, the old SCCM CB 1606 server. So this is the same version. Okay, and if I go to cloud services, and if I go to updates and services, I can see the same thing. Okay, 1606 history also. Yeah, I can see the history as well. Okay, okay, all good. Features. Okay, Intune subscription is there. Okay, Intune subscription is there, but I'm not pretty sure this will work or not. I will test it out. Okay. Okay, so this is my MDM client Android device. Okay, so everything looks okay. I don't have internet connection now, so probably I will check whether whether the communication between Intune and SCCM CB 1606 is working fine or not. Okay. Uh, Somewhere I read like we need to remove the Intune subscription and add it back. I will confirm that. How does that work for me? Okay. So probably I will pause this video and will come back with more detail. Okay, here we go. So what I did is in the background, I checked all the configuration whether it's all working or not. Okay, and what I found is there's some errors. There was some errors in the user sync log and um, DMP upload and download log files. So as per the recommendation, okay, on the technet, what I did is I removed the Intune subscription from here after the recovery and add the subscription back. Okay, so that solved the problem, communication problems. User sync log files and other log files are showing okay now. I will show you those logs in a minute. Okay, so just wanted to show the latest status of the Android device. That is today around 4 p.m. Okay, so this is after recovery. Okay, this is policy request. Okay. Okay, so I tried logging into company portal from my Android phone and it is working fine. Okay, so I will just show you a glimpse of log files. Okay, so you can see total licensed users is 2. Okay, and it is validating. It is able to get the licensing details from Intune. Earlier it was not able to. Okay, so let me, yeah, so this is error I was getting before removing the Intune subscription. Okay, so the point is after the recovery of the server we need to remove the Intune subscription and we should add it back. Okay, so this is also working fine. This is dmp downloader.log and this is also working fine at the moment. Okay, earlier it was not working, so you can see kind of a similar error. Okay, before removing the subscription and adding it back. Okay, so and this is dmp uploader log and this was also having the same error before. You can see same error everywhere. Now this is also working fine. Okay, see, this is also working fine. Start upload succeeded with the transmission ID. Okay, so that means it is able to upload the data from on-premise SCCM to Intune. Okay, so everything looks okay after the recovery. I think that is it on this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.